Everyone, we're in the 2300 block of North Pulaski in West Baltimore. This is a 4 bedroom, 1.5 bath home, central heating, uh, large basement, half bathroom in the basement. As we look around, see the living room and dining room area with ceiling fans. And come back out, head down the hallway. The basement was right there on the left, the door that was open. So we go straight another sitting area before we get to the kitchen. See a nice mirror on the wall. The kitchen, you have your stove, refrigerator, lots of cabinet space. So take a look outside. The back door's right here. Nice fenced in yard, clean alley. All right, let's head back in. All right, here's the basement. See the washing machine, dryer, your half bathrooms right there on the right. So we take a look inside. As you can see, nice and clean. Also down here, there are outlets and lots of storage space as we head in the back of the basement. You see the sub pump, well as extra storage space. So let's head on upstairs. So go upstairs. The bathroom, the full bathroom is straight ahead. You can see nice and clean. So we go to our left. See the linen closets right there by the steps. Go in. Here's your first bedroom. Air conditioner is in there. Your second bedroom. Again, this is a 4 bedroom, 1.5 bath in West Baltimore. All right, let's take a look at the third bedroom. See nice size, new carpet, and the fourth bedroom. All right, again, this is the 2300 block of North Pulaski, 1450 a month. Security deposit is also 1450. Talk to you soon.